Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce our members. The first, I am Universiti Ilmiah bin Domiswari. My student ID is 2023654996. The next one, we have Wan Rozaidi bin Wan Zulkifli. The last one, we have Tuan Hari Aikal bin Tuan Zamanino, Tuan Muhammad Zamanino. The Nasken at Macang was located. The location was PT 7086 Jalan Seri Cemerlang, Kampung Batu 25 18500, Bandar Macang, Kelantan. The operation time is Monday to Sunday. The store is open 7 AM until 12 AM. The observation time, our observation time is Friday at 8 PM until 12 AM. The number of serve, only one. Today I will talk about characteristic of queuing system. Arrival characteristic. We have two: size of the calling population. The calling population at Nasken Macang is finite, as the number of potential customer is limited to the local resident, student, and individuals in the surrounding area. The second one, pattern of arrival. Customer arrival occur in a random pattern during peak hour, especially in evening. The arrival rate increase, while during non-peak hour, customer arrive at regular interval. Customer arrival behavior. Several customer behavior can be observed in this queuing system. Some customer may decide not to join the queue when it appears too long. Other may leave the queue after waiting for some time. However, many customers are willing to wait until they are served. For waiting line characteristic. Length of the waiting line. The length of the waiting line at Nasken is limited due to space constraint within the premise. Queue discipline. The queue discipline practice in, first out, where customers are served in the order in which they arrive.
So next is the service facility characteristics. So first we will go through to the number of channels, servers. Nasken Macang operates as a multi-channel system, as more than one staff member is involved in serving customers simultaneously. And next, we will go through to the number of phase service stations. The service process is a multi-phase system. Customers must go through several stages, including placing an order, food preparation, and receiving the order. And last one, we will go through to the number of waiting lines. The systems use a single waiting line where customers queue in one main line before being served. So, here is the picture of queuing system configurations of Nasken Macang, where is the single channel system and single phase system. So, for the next part, we will go through to the queuing model. So, to find the arrival rate, which is lambda, we have to divide the number of customer arrive between the times of observation. Then we will get 16.67 customer per hour. And to find the service rate, which is mu, we have to do number of customers served divide by times of observation, which is we will get 23.33 customer per hour. So here is the picture that we do calculation in QM for Windows. So from the calculation, we will get the result, which is show the value of each parameter. Like for server utilization, we got 0.71. For average number in queue, we get 1.79. For average number in the system, we get 2.5. For average time in the queue, we got 0.11, and the last one is average time in the system. We got 0.15.
With the value result, we can answer this question. Is the number of server provider adequate? So since the average of the server utilization, we get the 0.71 less than the critical value 1. So the number of the server provided is adequate. That means the current system can handle the customer arrival rate. And the next question is, are the customer happy with the waiting line? Yes, since the average waiting time in the queue is 0.11 hours, approximate to 7 minutes, and the average time in system is 0.15 minutes. It shows that the waiting time is very short before being served. So we can conclude that the customer are satisfied with the service given by Naskin Coffee. What have we learned by doing this project is we know that the system at the Naskin Coffee is already stable, but to make it more efficiency or to improve the system, we suggest that Naskin Coffee provide a application for customer to order the menu before them arrive at the cafe, so it can reduce the spend time at the cafe.